Obviously, he'd be going to the gym. He used his muscles, over-tightened the drain plug, stripped it. Now we're going to show you how to repair it. We are going to show you how we put a Heli-Coil in, which will solve the problem. One thing you need to remember is you're putting a metal bolt into an aluminum case. Aluminum's not as strong, so you don't have to crank them down super tight. You got a crush washer, look in your manual, see what the torque is, and don't over tighten them because you'll strip them and it's a big problem. Some bikes it's easy, you just lay them over, the drain plug's on the bottom, you can put a Heli-Coil in it pretty easily. Yamahas, you can't get to it. The KTM 350s, you can't get to it. So we have to pull the motor out of the bike just to get to the drain plug. We got the engine out of the YZ450 with the stripped drain plug. We're going to put a Heli-Coil, which looks like this. We're going to put this in there to give it new threads. So first we're going to have to drill this bigger, and then the Heli-Coil kit comes with everything you need. Comes with the Heli-Coils, the drill bit you need, and the tap. You need to tap that to put the Heli-Coil in. When drilling the hole, always wear your safety goggles, but I like to grease the drill bit so the metal shavings will stick to the drill bit. So we're going to drill the hole. When you put a Heli-Coil, you got to make sure it's straight. So we're just going to drill the hole. As you can see, with the drill bit greased, all the shavings have stuck to the drill bit and there's none inside there. And that's what you want. I'm going to do the same thing with the tap. I put a lot of grease all over it, and we are going to tap to the Heli-Coil size. There's a little bit of oil I left in the motor, so as I get done with all the tapping and drilling, I tip it up and let the oil run out the drain plug. Heli-Coil is on the installation tool. Now we're getting ready to put the Heli-Coil in the engine. Install it all the way till it's flush with the case. Now we're installing the stock bolt to make sure it goes in and out real easily and it's real smooth. Okay, I'll give you guys a tip today. It's beneficial to you, it'll save you a lot of money and time. Please get a manual, get a good torque wrench, and torque all the bolts, especially the ones going into aluminum, because they don't need to be as tight as you think, and they strip very easily because aluminum is very soft. We do put in a lot of Heli-Coils in certain areas that people seem to always strip. After we put the motor in, install the new crush washer, put the drain plug in, poured the oil in, 0 leaks, job turned out really good, customer's happy.